What's up guys, welcome back to another episode. Today we're going to be talking about the future plans for the silver Integra. I'm also going to show you some cars that I'm getting some ideas and motivation from. So let's get this thing started. So first up is the Garage Work EG6. First thing you'll notice about this car is there's a ton of custom aero. The philosophy behind this car is it's not how much you can add, but how much you can subtract. The car weighs in at 1,530 pounds. You'll notice it has aluminum trailing arms. They even went as far as putting holes in the rotors to make it lighter. Has a fully stripped interior with a carbon fiber roof. Has holes in the pedal assembly to make it lighter. The car is B series powered with 237 horsepower. Every seam on the car has been riveted over seam welding for weight reduction. Next we have the Orange Lip DC2. It has a really clean exterior with full aero. Has a nice front splitter. Crow House front fenders. Looks like an APR rear wing. Custom rear diffuser. The car is completely stripped down with a custom dash. Weighs in at 1,900 pounds. Has a Type R motor converted to carbs, puts out 230 horsepower. Every seam on the car has been nut and bolted together rather than riveted or seam welded. Next is the Yellow Factory EG6. I really like the black and yellow colored scheme, the carbon fiber doors, carbon fiber roof. I really like the custom aero, the vented hood, the big wing, and also the front splitter. The spare tire well has been cut out to reduce weight. Also a lot of work in the front wheel wells to make room for bigger tires. The car has a fully built Toyota engine with a 9500 redline. Inside the car has a custom fuel cell, carbon fiber dash, carbon fiber spare tire cover. Also has a bunch of holes cut in the chassis to reduce weight.
And finally, we have the Creep Don't Sleep DC2. I don't really have too much information on this car. I did find it on Instagram. The car is from New Zealand. The owner doesn't have the car anymore, but this car looks amazing. It has a lot of aero on it, fiberglass doors, pretty much stripped the car of everything it doesn't need, and it's B-Series powered.
So that's pretty much what I'm going for the silver car build. I'm not too sure what I'm going to be doing to the motor yet, but I definitely want to drop as much weight as I can. A lot of suspension mods and aero mods first. So stay tuned. We'll definitely have more content that I had recently, and 2019 should bring a lot of good stuff this year. So until next time, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.